So we have a brief presentation and then a demo.
Oh, nice.
Throwing Oreos. All right, so we did AR. Here's our team, and we had a semi-last-minute celebrity show up. Jacob jumped in. Moving on, so here's our goal. What can we do with React Native VR? Recognize something in a camera view, trigger something, and then show something. I initially named our Slack channel VR. You can tell I'm still confused. AR versus VR. So I actually just threw in what the definition of AR is: the technology that superimposes a computer-generated image on a user's view of the real world, thus providing a composite view. So it looks something kind of like this. Opening up an app and then having something display on a 3D surface that is also 3D. So kind of like that teacup. Awesome. No, stop it. Move on. So this was our plan. I love the Muriel work. I did not do that. On Thursday, we spent most of our day setting up. This was anticipated, but not actual. I would say we spent almost all day Thursday setting up and did a little bit of the AR kit implementation. I have a newfound respect for developers and the development process. I think I said the F word a dozen times. Getting our things like set up on our local machines. I've never been more frustrated. What did we use?
By the way, that was my highlight.
It was miserable. So what did we use? We used an AR kit. This may not be actually the appropriate link. This is our GitHub's Praxent account, so any of the Praxent devs should have automatic access to this. Ryan was so kind to provide me access to it as an honorary developer, a neophyte.
Yeah, you had some commits and stuff.
I committed and everything. So Sky and I are honorary devs. Xcode, another source of pain and curse words. Jacob lives in this, and so he told us a lot about all of his issues with Xcode. Text editor, Sublime or Atom or VS Code, which is a possible battle royale. I want to get in on that. Node is something I don't really know what it does, but we installed it a few different times. It's specific to the version. And then we also use a combination of 20 plus years and my 2 days of development. So a little bit more of the environment setup. This is a lot of trial and error. I kid you not. Quote, I shit you not. How many times, how many emojis are present that do what we want to do? They're looking for this stuff in the comments as to what to implement from an engineering perspective. And I just said, are you kidding me? This is what you're looking for. We don't, product management, or I don't know any of the other teams that are looking for feedback like that, but it was effective. You search and you look for, the little horns with confetti coming out of them. Xcode. So more on Xcode pain. Again, Jacob is our celebrity yesterday, who's now a full-fledged team member. Hey, there's a buried setting you need to change. Have you done that yet? No. Are you kidding? And then some more prototyping. You can see it better up there on the screen. This says, let's say, yo diggity. I had the app running on my machine. This is my computer on my Instagram for the social media. And I changed it to say my name and the little white text up there. So that was something I did yesterday. And then this was some work today to actually implement the 3D module that we used. So something on the developer tools, we have this deployed on my phone, and Ryan says to me, hey, you need to have this auto sync login, and I'm like, how do you pull this up? And he goes, shake it. And I'm sitting there shaking my phone, and Emmet's just laughing at me. So but this is what comes up. This is what you eventually get up when you shake your iPhone. file types. This is one of the more important things that we actually need for our project. We were looking for these 3D models called .davs. What this is a 3D file that you can then drop into your AR application. I really liked that it was called a collada, a collaborative design activity. It sounded really, really pretty cool. So if you hear us refer to a .dae, it's a 3D file, also known as collada. With that, let's show the new team member that you got for us, Ryan.
All right, let's see if I can connect to this.
It's Nick!
We made a Nick. Looks so real. That's 3D.
I don't think the optics are similar today.
Nick. Nick, play the Macarena.
You don't see it? Do you want it? You want the number? Will that work?
Does not compute.
It should be on Praxent.
Nick, what is the Friday song?
Do you have Zoom on your phone? I think if you join the.
Well, we should do Apple TV, kind of, sort of. That's weird. Oh, here we go.
On it?
Oh, there's a scroll bar. That was not included, Apple. Shake it. Turning.
Shake it.
How do you want to?
Hey!
Aww.
All right. We haven't actually tested it from walking from this distance. This will be interesting. Can I get like a tractor noise from somebody when it? What?
Oh,
Yeah, don't look.
Pretend it's not there yet.
Okay, pretend. We're pretending. Oh no, we lost you. We lost you.
The Zoom, the
Okay, loading.
Okay.
Well,
We're looking at something.
Oh, nice. Here we started.
This is a Halloween movie.
okay, so he's looking at the care sign, which is what he's.
Oh.
Rock door!
Wow.
So, I don't know, somebody else in the team talk about what we're looking at. We've got planes and anchors and all that.
The dragon.
And then
He's anchored to the plane.
Jacob.
Yeah, so the way that's working is when you first turn on the app, it figures out where you are in space. So it figures out with geo coordinates, it sets that as 0. And as you move around, it tracks where you're moving with the accelerometer, how far you're moving, where you're moving to. That's why it can scale that image going back and forth. And then the idea is you would go and it would pick up an anchor. So like our anchor is where that sign. As soon as it sees that sign, it projects an image there. And that's what you're actually seeing as the dragon. And then theoretically, if you remove looking at that, that image would go away.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Or the model.
My new pet. So there was a lot of work that they did to move this thing around. It's interesting. The units are not known to us. What we're looking at. On an XYZ plane, we don't know if we're looking at centimeters, meters, inches. It was really ambiguous, and so they did a great job moving this thing around care. I mean, this dragon has been everywhere. So yeah, it was a lot of fun. Anything else, guys?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Great work.